Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the damage. Look for a slipped knot, a cut thread, or missing beads. This determines the fix. Grab a thin needle, matching thread, beeswax or thread conditioner, a lighter for sealing synthetic ends, and small scissors. Once done, measure the bracelet and lay beads in order. This keeps pattern and tension consistent. Make sure to use a slightly stronger thread, about 2x original thickness for durability, because replacing with weaker thread causes repeat failure. Now you rethread. Tie a small stopper knot or use a clip so beads don't fall off, then thread the needle and follow the original bead path exactly. This preserves the pattern and clasp alignment. Pull beads snug, not tight. Consistent tension prevents bunching and future loosening. Once the pattern is complete, weave back through adjacent beads 2-3 passes to lock the line. This creates friction points that act like knots. Make sure to keep the bracelet flat while working to avoid twists. Finish by tying 3 tight surgeon-style knots against the beads. They compress into a secure bulk and resist slipping. Then weave the tail back through 2-4 beads to lock it, trim close, and carefully melt synthetic ends with a lighter. Press briefly with a non-stick surface to flatten. Once done, test the bracelet with gentle pulls. If it slips or frays, don't panic. Re-wax the thread, increase passes through beads, or switch to a heavier-duty thread. These steps usually solve
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.